I got here my 1968 panel. It's been sitting quite a while, close to 20 years, sitting in the same spot. Need to get some encouragement, I guess, or something to get something going on this. But it's been sitting here. You can see the crud, dirt, dander. I had this running, almost 20 years ago, and I was out and somebody backed into the side, put a big old dent right there, and I parked it, and it hasn't moved since. Well, I thought I'd take a look at it, maybe roll her over here, and I happened to took the bolts out of this. You can see how crusty the valve covers are. They were all waxed up, shiny and chrome at one time. But check this out. Spiffy clean. This motor, I rebuilt this probably 1988. Just all stock, 402 from 1971. It's nice and clean in there. I'm gonna pull the distributor, put my oiler in there, roll around, and get her fired up, I guess. Been long enough.